everyone, I am Ella and this is my little brother Ellastons. So we are eating a flower. Yes, it's a good flower. Here, and I found in my flower a little.
Oh, it's alive. It's alive?
No.
No?
He's dead.
Show me.
He's dead. Yes.
What's the name of this flower?
I don't know.
Artichoke.
Artichoke.
Very good. What's your favorite meal?
What?
What's your favorite food? Pizza. Okay, again. Second favorite. What's your second favorite?
Pasta.
What? Pasta. Okay. Third favorite. The flower. Artichoke.
Sushi.
And sushi.
The
Pasta.
last day when we ate sushi. Mira.
Oh, look.
I do a mountain.
A mountain. Very nice mountain. Look how high. That's very high. That's a very high mountain.
Du med har kanske mest varför det ser små
So, do you want to explain how you eat this flower?
Oh, but first from the beginning is closed like this, and then you take out like this.
What's the first thing you do? What do you have in there?
You make vinaigrette.
Who made this vinaigrette?
Ellastons.
You made it.
Brother.
Ellastons. You?
And he's 5 years
You can do it.
old.
You did it today?
It's good. No.
And what do you put in the vinaigrette, Ellastons? What do you put in there?
Oil.
Oil?
And vinaigrette.
Vinegar?
Vinegar.
And what else?
Salt.
Salt. Very good. Show me how you eat it. Very good. Okay, so here we are. So you soak it and you eat it with your teeth. Ellastons. What do you say when that happens?
Sorry.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Yeah, probably sorry is better because it happened. So, excuse me, you say it before it happens, no? If you want to pass, excuse me, I want to get through.
Yes.
And sorry is when it happened already, sorry.
I cry. Nah. Can you give me paper, Daddy?
Yes, here.
Ooh. Yum. I like
What's the best part of this flower?
the heart.
The heart. It has a heart. Does it beat? Does it beat?
No.
No. Why do you call it the heart?
What?
Why do you call it the heart?
I don't know.
Is it because it's in the middle?
Yes.
In the center?
Mira.
Wow. Look at that.
I'm
Look at that. Look at the sun, huh? It's
gonna show you the heart.
okay, that's what we want to
We
see.
are in the heart. I am in the heart. Look, the heart.
Oh. So much light now. Wow, I don't see a heart. I see a hairy boy there.
This is the heart.
The heart has hairs?
Yeah.
Are you telling me that the heart is hairy?
Yeah.
Like me?
Yes, like us.
Okay.
Me.
Look at the vinaigrette. Okay, I want to see how you eat the heart, Ella. How do you eat it?
You have to first cut, chuck, and then you take off the hair like this. I am in the heart. And then we eat. I am in the heart.
Are you? Really?
You too?
Oh la la, look. I see all the hair. It looks very hairy. Oh my god, that looks very hairy. Can you eat the hairs?
No.
Ah.
Because if you eat the hair, you're gonna have a ball here.
Like the cats?
Yeah.
A hair ball, and then you
Yes.
you have to spit it out?
Yes, like the cats do.
Like cats do?
Okay.
We need to cut it. Are you gonna bring a knife, Aston? Okay, very good. Both, very quickly. Oh, I forgot I had the barbecue, guys, with the fish. I'm gonna... Okay, we're gonna... take that off. There we go. Okay. Ooh-la! That looks dangerous. Let me see if I can put the camera here. And we can cut it. Careful.
I am the
Careful.
superhero. But that was my turn.
It doesn't matter. First we'll do this one. Careful with your fingers, Aston.
Okay, we got the fingers.
Okay, we got the hairs out.
I want to coffee.
Look at that. I cut it.
Nice.
You want me to cut it like a pizza?
Yeah, like a pizza.
Okay.
I am the pizza. 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 I am the pizza.
Careful with your finger.
I am the pizza.
Very good.
Show them how you eat it. Ew.
So much noise, Aston. It's like the pig is back.
The pig.
It's like we live in a farm in here. There we go. Okay, Ella, yours is ready. So you can come and eat it. Is it good, Aston? Do you suck the heart in the vinaigrette?
Yeah.
Okay.
I love.
You like it a lot? Yeah?
Look at me.
Show me. I can see you like it. You're really enjoying it. Oh, there you go. You suck the entire thing in there. You want to see a pig eating? You want to see a pig? Is it good? Aston, what was that? What happened?
It's me, I do a fruit. Eh? What did you say?
It's better not to say that.
I do a fruit. You did a fart?
He
No, I
farted
do a
on the table.
I do a
That's
fruit.
not good. Very unpolite. Okay, guys. So I think you're almost finished. Do you want to finish the channel today?
Yeah.
Okay. Aston, do you want to finish it today?
The last
No.
channel, I think so. Or we're gonna do more channels next time.
More videos, not
More
channels.
videos.
But you close this video then. Sorry, I said channel, but you want to say goodbye to everyone?
Not yet. First, I'm gonna show them. Goodbye, everybody.
No, they've seen enough. I think.
Goodbye, mommy.
Goodbye, mommy.
Hey, go, mama. Bye, bye, mommy.
Okay, and to everyone else.
And bye, bye, everyone else.
And do you wanna, Ella? And what else? And
ring the bell and subscribe.
okay, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the
Next one.
thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Aston, bye bye.
Bye bye, puppy.